Welcome to Integrity Data. In today's tutorial, we're going to be discussing the automated reports, how to set them up. In order to do this, we would go to Configuration and Automated Reports. I've already got one set up here, but I'm going to show you how to set up a new one. We would click Add New Configuration Record, and we want to go in and choose the report, who's in, who's not in, time summaries, work level detail, approaching overtime, and things like that. So we might choose, say, approaching overtime. Over to the right are all my supervisors and admins, and I would be able to select which ones I want this report to go to. I would leave it set to weekly. I'm not going to mess with the particular pay period because I want this ongoing. I'm going to choose Thursdays. Select data range. That's going to be the previous day and back, or you could do last month, however you want on those, but we're just looking at the previous day. So Wednesday, everybody that clocked out Wednesday that has over 32 hours from their Wednesday clock out. So that lets me know if I've got people that have been working a lot of hours in advance, so I can schedule other people in and control my overtime. You could choose Friday and X amount of hours, but usually at that time people are already in, and it's a pain to have to send them home and then find somebody to come in straight away so that you do that. So Thursday is a good marker for this. But you may want to do 26 hours. I don't know. It just depends on your department and how the employees work and things like that. By interval or by time. In interval, you can have a start time and a stop time, say maybe 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The interval once a day or every hour. Again, there's not going to be much difference by 7 a.m. in the morning to 10 a.m. in the morning, unless you got a night crew in there clocking out, and you'll want to see how things are going. Or, maybe you'll look at this after lunch and see where everybody's at, how many hours everybody's at since lunch, because they would have clocked out to go to lunch. These reports send on the hour, but again, you just put your start time and your end time. This is in Pacific time, so if you're in Eastern, this is going to be 10 a.m., so you need to back that up by 3 hours. And you would back this one up by 3 hours also. And that way you're not receiving reports late into the day and late into the evening, but this is during your business hours. By time, you can just come down here and select a specific time you might want this report to run. And these ones are AM, and down here is going to be your PM, with 12 o'clock being the separator right here between morning and afternoon. But we can just do 8:30. And now we've got this set up. We need to put a subject in. Make sure we have all the supervisors selected that we need to for this, and then click Save. And now we have our approaching overtime report, and we just set it and forget it. Thank you for watching.